What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, and we got another video lined up for you guys in this Spigen series. Do a little bit different, do a little intro, see if you guys like it like that. Tell me what you think about, this different style of doing videos at the end of the comment section, of course. But today we're going to be doing it on some Spigen cases. Like I said, we got 3 of them for you today. Okay, so these are going to be the Parallax series. Okay, so Parallax series. Let me see if it will focus there. Parallax series right there. We got it in a couple of different varieties, a couple of different flavors for you today. Okay, so hang tight. Let's get the unboxing. Let's get on the phone, check it out, see what it looks like. And by the way, why are you not subscribed? Like over 90% of y'all that watch these videos are not subscribed. Takes 2 seconds. Help brother out. All right, so now we got the intro out of the way. Let's see here. Which one do you want to check out first? Got 3 flavors for you today. Okay, looking at the bottom, let's get these stacked up and take a look at the flavors we got. Okay, 3 different varieties. We got sage green, purplish, or navy violet. What do y'all want to see first? Did you say sage green? All right, let's look at it without further ado. Simplistic unboxing experience from Spigen. Never no frills. Get that box up out of here. Nice easy package. Throw that to the side. So there's your first look at this, and I probably shouldn't have threw that box away. Hold on, y'all. This is again a sage green. Without further ado, y'all, let's not play today. Let's go ahead and get this on the phone, see what this is hitting for. Super simplistic. Pop in right there. Oh man, that's really, really easy. Let's take a look around. You got a nice, even lip all the way around town for face down protection. No issues, no frills right there, okay, y'all? Then on the back, I'm not gonna have raised corners, but you're gonna have a raised camera bump to protect the goodies. So no issues there for back down protection as well. Taking a look on the side, Spigen slappy, always hitting with those, what is it called? Tactile feedback on the buttons, okay? On the bottom, you have the nice oversized cutout for S Pen access, speaker, USB-C, microphone. Did I mention if this case had Magsafe, aka their version is called MagFit? Let's try it out. And it does. Shake test right there. This ain't going nowhere, y'all, so Spigen's coming with that fire, with that strength. And then let's bring in our USB-C to see how it's fitting. So this is going to be an Anchor charging cable for USB-C, and y'all can see right there that we got a little bit of room, but not too much. So if you got an oversized USB-C, it's probably not going to fit. Just giving you a heads up. Very good. And I'm just going to go through these next 2 colors in a pretty rapid succession because you've already seen what this case can do for you, right? What it looks like and the different details of it. At the very end, I'll give you my summary, tell you if I'm going to keep it, maybe tell you my favorite color out of them. I had to do a little chuckle when I read the box for this one, y'all. They call this a purple-ish color, okay? And I know the camera maybe not getting you, but in person, it actually has a pretty good purple color to it, okay? So let's just go around. You've already heard the things from the first case, so I'm just gonna kind of just do maybe just a show around town, okay? So this is what it looks like in that purple-ish color. Purplish color, same things, okay? Same back down protection, face down protection, same access for your USB-C, your microphone, your speaker, your S Pen. Same beautiful strength for MagSafe. Whoa, that didn't work out. Let's try that again. All right, I just didn't have it on there. So y'all can see it's not going nowhere. I'm shaking the heck out of this. So no issue right there. Again, this is purplish. The first one we did was sage green. Last but not least is going to be this right here, which is going to be that navy violet. Okay, this is in navy violet. And again, you guys can see the contrast with that white silver titanium color with that S25 Ultra. Let's take a look around town. Remember the back. I actually like on this one how you got this nice blue color to it. Nice blue color, 2-tone contrast, same back down and face down protection. Same tactile feedback on those buttons. Same USB-C, microphone, speaker, and S Pen access. tactileness on the buttons. Just so y'all know I'm not telling no stories, let's check out that MagFit or Magsafe strength. It ain't going nowhere. Where you at? Where you at, USB? I know you hiding. So that way the people can see it's not Bobby G. This is just how it fits. All right, y'all. So we got done with the unboxing, and let me get my glasses down on my face like an old man. I am old, but you know, it is what it is. Again, I digress. Back to it. So with these cases right here, let me look at it. We got the Parallax, Parallax. Why do I keep saying Parallax, y'all? Parallax. Parallax. Say it with me. Parallax. All right. With the Parallax series, we tried on three different colors, okay? Again, this is the sage green, and on the camera, that is looking totally blue. But this is really a sage green right here. Then we've got the purple-ish right here. Let me see if in contrast it looks a little better, okay? Sage green, purple-ish right there. But out of these, y'all, if you want me to be honest, guess what's staying on the phone? This right here, okay? This right here is what we're going to stay with. And this is the navy violet, okay? This is my favorite color out of the three. Actually, not gonna lie to y'all, I like the design on the back. That texture design is kind of gratifying, okay, if I must say. It's gratifying, okay? Gratifying. I like the two-toneness right here that we have between the case. So I'm gonna daily this, see what it's about. I don't normally do like check-in reviews, but if you guys wanted me to do like follow-up videos about like, 1 month in the case, a couple months in the case, if y'all want me to do stuff like that, let me know in the comments. The best way you can do that is by subscribing and keeping up with me. All right, y'all. So that's it for the Spigen, again, Parallax series. If you got anything, do me a huge favor. If you want to buy these, use the links in the comments, okay? No cost to you, helps me out. Like, comment, and subscribe, everybody. It's your boy, Bobby G, and I'm out. Peace.